Hi, this is Rajan. You're watching my channel kathe-nim Jothe. Today we're gonna unbox LG G8X. Yes, I got this from Big Billion Day at a whopping price of 18,740 rupees. The actual price of this is somewhere around 54,000. Okay, so let's not waste time and see what is inside the box. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Stay tuned. Please do watch this complete video to see what is inside this box. Thank you. I was actually excited, about this sale, and I was not really sure that I'll be getting this mobile, and luckily I got this. Wow, the packaging is really good. Thanks to Flipkart. LG G8X dual screen. Okay, here's the box. LG G8X. It's written LG G8X here. Okay, and talking about the price, MRP is around 70,000 rupees. You can see month and year of import is 10/2020, and you also can see in the accessories there's no charger included. Okay, as you can see here, this is the festival special limited edition G8X ThinQ. It says 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM, and this is the LG dual screen case. It says that not for sale, complimentary with LG G8X ThinQ. Okay, seal is not broken. If at all if this is tampered, please return it. Okay. Here it is, finally. Okay, you get this cloth from LG and the LG phone. As you can see, it has a screen guard here, and quality of the mobile is seriously good and gives you a premium feel. Okay, we'll keep it here for now, and here, as you can see, there is no charger. You get this Type-C USB cable and headphones. And coming to the case, let's open it. This is the case what you get. Okay, that's not that great. Okay, and you get user manual for the phone as well as for the screen. Okay, I'm placing it here, and talking about the Type-C USB cable, that's good, quality is good, and you get this earphones. Okay, you get this earbuds, and this is the earphones with 3.5 mm jack. The quality is really good and it gives you a premium feel. So I would say the price of 18,750. This is a jackpot. Okay. So as you can see, there's no charger. This, I suppose this is the place for the charger, and it doesn't have the charger for this model, and you also get a SIM ejector in the warranty user manual, backside of it, like this. Okay, let's now see the most important part, that is the LG dual screen. Okay, here is the screen. Okay, this is the box. Here is the LG dual screen. Okay, this is actually premium. It feels good and the quality is really good, and as you can see, it's completely wrapped. Okay, there is the screen, and you have got the charger for the screen. You have to connect this here in order to charge, and you can connect your Type-C here. Okay, this is all about the screen. Screen looks premium and it's actually good. I have connected my phone to the LG dual screen. Once I connect, I'll get this option. You have to click on this option, turn on dual screen. Here it is. So what you get in this box is, I've already shown you. You get the mobile followed by the cover and the two user manuals, followed by the Type-C USB cable, screen guard charger connector, and the headphones. Here the charger is missing. Okay, this is the unboxing video of LG G8 ThinQ dual screen. I'll be posting a new video in detail about the software update, how exactly the phone is performing in real-time scenarios. Okay, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do like and subscribe. Okay, let's meet in my next video. Thank you.